mag-i-type, pwede mag-writing.
Are you done?
Opo.
Mag-practice ka na lang muna ng multiplication lang. Later na lang mo writing.
Nana po ako, teacher.
Okay, sige po. 3 minutes. Bandal, not yet done. Bandal, done is for last. Hindi pa nakapag turn in. Carla.